You're watching the 2010 Seminole Hard Rock Winterfest Boat Parade.
The 39th annual Seminole Hard Rock Winterfest Boat Parade. And their captains are taking us dancing through the decades. From the 50s, 60s, and 70s to the 80s, 90s, and today. We're playing that funky music and getting down tonight. So get ready to rock the boat and waltz down the waterway. Here are your groovy hosts.
Hey, are you ready to dance with the decades?
I am ready to dance with the decades.
That's our
and
theme
you know
this
what?
year.
Let's start everything off with a bang, as usual.
Bigger and better than in previous years.
Public. Oh, here comes the Coast Guard response boat.
The newest boat in the Coast Guard arsenal.
This is like top-of-the-line Coast Guard rescue. This showboat is the Clyde Foundation on board the Caprice, and this is a really special boat.
There is our lovely Grand Marshal for this year, Brooke Burke, on board the Floridian Princess.
Incredible boat.
They are on board the Biscayne Lady.
Singers, Native Americans. This is the Venetian Lady, the WSBN boat. Habitat for Humanity of Broward County also on board with us this year. Craig Stevenson. This is the Big 105.9. Of course, with Anthony's Coal, Fire Pizza there, and the Summer Wind. Carrie B has been in this boat parade for many, many, many years. And Miss Florida Teen USA, McKaylee Crockett, is on board the Carrie B as well.
There's McKaylee.
And she's got the wave down.
You don't see too many paddle boats
You don't,
in South
actually.
Florida. Happy Winterfest, guys. This is the Lady Lucille. She's got plenty of lights.
Happy Winterfest to the Lady Lucille.
Still to come, it's not a bird, it's a plane. On a boat?
Whoa, check that out.
And it's not the only thing taking flight over the New River.
And brilliant blue.
I love this house.
It is that time of year again. Homeowners' creativity on full display all along the Intracoastal for the 2010 Shoreline Decorating
And the dancers at the party. This is the Wounded Warriors on board the Bellissimo.
On board 14 Sea Cadets from the Spruance Division at Fort Lauderdale. And also on board, Wounded Warriors from Afghanistan or Iraq. And you know what? Round of applause. This is the Red Bull North America aboard the Grey Mar barge. Woo!
That's what happens when you're hopped up on Red Bull. Let's give some props to those pro athletes. Whoa, check that out. Guys, for Daniel Shares, Kevin Robb, Corey Martinez, Anthony Napolitan.
Every year this boat parade gets bigger and better. Amazing.
Whoa!
Fort Lauderdale Sea Cadets, Navy League, aboard the Explorer.
The Glacier Society Foundation is also helping to sponsor the Sea Cadets this year.
The Sea Cadets is a fabulous organization.
We salute
and
you,
there's
Sea Cadets.
nothing like a man in uniform.
Attention, Cadet Watson. Report to port side for Coast Guard retrieval.
Big man himself is up next. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Land that I love, stand beside her and guide her through the night with the light from above, from the mountains